Discover chicken cutlets in a whole new way with just one ingredient. This simple dish will turn into a refined combination. Take chicken breast meat and slice it, but make sure not to cut all the way through. Then, tenderize it with a meat mallet. Season the tenderized meat with salt, garlic, and pepper. Now, here comes the unexpected ingredient: cheese, specifically camembert. It's perfect for meat dishes as it adds an intense, creamy flavor and a unique texture. Place pieces of cheese into the meat and sprinkle with thyme. Prepare 2 bowls. In one, crack eggs and beat them. In the other, mix breadcrumbs with sesame seeds. This will be the perfect coating. Dip the chicken breast into the egg, then coat it in the breadcrumb mixture. Heat a pan and place the meat with cheese inside. Fry on medium heat until evenly browned. Remove from the pan. Serve the meat while it's still warm. The cheese inside becomes stretchy and velvety when heated, perfectly complementing the meat and creating a creamy layer. That's why the dish tastes best when served warm. It's a satisfying and easy-to-make dish.